Did you know that without the right AI tools, you could be wasting up to 10 hours a week on tedious tasks? Tools like ChatGPT and Claude can help you save time and boost productivity, and the best part is that they're free to use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the best free AI tools of 2026, including ChatGPT, Claude, Canva AI, Perplexity, and more, to revolutionize your workflow and take your productivity to new heights. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available, and its free tier is incredibly generous. With ChatGPT, you can automate tasks, generate content, and even get help with research and data analysis. Claude is another powerful AI tool that's designed to be safe and reliable. With Claude, you can automate tasks, generate content, and even get help with research and data analysis. Canva AI is a powerful graphic design AI that's designed to be easy to use. With Canva AI, you can create stunning visuals, like social media graphics or presentations, in just a few minutes. Perplexity is a powerful research AI that's designed to be fast and accurate. With Perplexity, you can find answers to complex questions, like scientific or historical queries, in just a few seconds. Which of these free AI tools will you try first? Comment below with the name of the tool and how you plan to use it. In this video, we covered the best free AI tools of 2026, including ChatGPT, Claude, Canva AI, and Perplexity. Each of these tools has the potential to revolutionize your workflow and take your productivity to new heights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily AI tool videos and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.